To scan an item to maintenance during booking return, first navigate to the Return Booking option on the booking grid. Click here to return a single booking. Scan the barcode to return. Highlight the item on the return grid to scan it to maintenance. Then click Enter Maintenance from the drop-down menu. Enter the maintenance information as needed. Click the green checkmark to save. The asset has been entered to maintenance. Click to save the return. Select Documents to print or click the green checkmark to exit. When you navigate to the maintenance window, you'll see the asset maintenance record in the grid.